Hi there, my name is Taylor James. I'm with Pro West Roofing and Restoration. We're at the Ogden residence in South Scottsdale. If you want to pan over just to kind of give them a reference, letting them know we're at the right house. Here's a wind affected shingle. I know that this has been written up for repairs, which is normally pretty suitable and understandable for something that's a 5-year-old system. But you'll come to find, just like we did, that separating these shingles already kind of starting to see it, the delamination of the dragon teeth, right? They just pop apart, and we're just trying to get this one out. Right? So then break the seal on this one. Also have to do the seal on the adjacent shingle. So just bending these apart is delaminating the dragon teeth already, thus causing some damage. Shoot it out. So there's that first set of fasteners that goes through the top here. What's holding it now is that second set that goes across the top. So, one shingle out. Another shingle in. Also, it's a point to make recognition that this is a synthetic underlayment that's already installed. Hung up on that now. That one is now laminated just from walking on it. So, I need to install 6 nails per nail board. This installer specification. That one's entirely delaminated from it now. So the backer strip is no longer connected to the dragon tooth here. So, as you can see,
Still need a set of nails on the top too.
yeah, I mean, all it's going to do is just, this one's already laminated, that one's starting, that one's starting, this one's starting as well. The more that we attempt to go further, up, it's just going to cause a chain reaction to the ridge on every single one, which is thus going to result in having to replace the entire slope. So that one. So that one is now delaminated. I'm also kind of scratching my head right there with you guys, not understanding as to why that's delaminated entirely. I would definitely class this as a fail. I'm also a little kind of perplexed, I guess, as to why all of these are delaminating as such. If you like, I can take them from the other slopes as well, but all of these shingles are going to wind up delaminating, just trying to repair one or two of them. Class it as a fail. Thank you.